Hello. Welcome back to our channel. In this video section, we can see how to save the video from YouTube. Then, whenever you want to search publish, we can able to publish. It's a very simple. Somebody their system is will be so we don't know time. Mean somebody they don't have time. Somebody they don't have done situation on particular time. So that we can keep our videos in YouTube but don't publish. Whenever we want, we just by one click we can publish. So that process I can tell you. So open the Google Chrome and our YouTube channel. So once your channel or no need, we don't need to go to channel also, just you can see the right side top left third option video plus symbol. So we can click this and upload video. It's a very simple. So in this video, so one video I'm bring here, or either you can select by in this option. So as usual, I will give the names, everything. How to enable or disable to the comments. So like this, here we can give the hashtag names. It will be come to your video first. I mean, just it's a suggestions. So only we need to give the 3. Then thumbnail, we can wait until this process done 100%. Before that we can select the remaining options. So it's a related matter playlist. It's not made for kids. It doesn't mean like that. So we can even it below also they can see. So click the more options. Here tag names, we can give the any other names to searching. So simple. I can give this like. So like this. So video English language, recording location or date, we can give this, but so we need to select the thumbnail now. It's already done. So it's a better like this. Okay. Go allow all comments. Then next. Then next. So here we need to see. So you want to publish or you want to unlisted, you want to just private, click this one. So this video no one can see until you do the public. So then save. This video is saved. So see here, they can't see this symbol. So this is how we can upload any video, or we can save any video in our YouTube until we give the access to see. So it's a better option and it's a very nice option. So if you want use like this, you can use. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.